Hey, does your Chrome browser have constant disruptive ads that you didn't see before? Maybe it installed extensions without your permission or changed some settings like default homepage or search engine? Well, Google Chrome malware is a common issue, and if you've noticed any of that, well, chances are your Chrome browser has been hijacked. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to remove malware from Chrome. Alright, the first step is to reset your browser settings. To do that, open Chrome and click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Then go to Settings, click on Reset Settings. There should be an option to restore settings to their original defaults, so just click on that and then confirm. Alright, the next step is to change default ads permissions. Once again, go to the Chrome settings, find Privacy and Security, and select Site Settings. Then click on Pop-ups and Redirects, and select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects right here. Now go back to the site settings, and this time choose Additional Content Settings. Then click on Intrusive Ads and choose Ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. Yeah, that's quite a few steps, but really nothing too difficult. Next, if you have some random browser extensions that you didn't give permission to get installed, well, you need to remove those. To do that, click on the three dots in the upper right corner again, but this time select Go to Extensions, and there should be a Manage Extensions option. Once you're there, look for any suspicious extension and just simply click Remove to get rid of them. Was that easy? Well, I release tons of helpful and quick tutorials to keep you safe online, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Alright, it might be very well that your browser has been hijacked. It installed some unwanted apps on your device, so to deal with that, I highly recommend following these next steps. And by the way, you can jump straight into how to remove virus from PC or mobile by using timestamps. Alright, starting with Windows, to remove unwanted apps, go to the Control Panel. The simplest way to do this is just to use the search bar. Once you are there, choose Uninstall a Program under the Programs icon. There should be a list of all installed programs on your device. Look for the ones that are suspicious and simply click on Uninstall. After that's complete, your Windows device should be safe to use. However, if you want to truly secure your device and prevent Google Chrome adware or any other malware from infecting it again, I recommend using a reliable antivirus. There is plenty of affordable choices. For example, Bitdefender might not be as known as some other big names, but it matches the quality of top providers like Norton. Besides bringing top-notch security and the ability to remove a virus if your device is already infected, it offers plenty of extra features like a built-in VPN. Anyhow, to get Bitdefender at an even more affordable price, I've got an exclusive detail for you in the description. Okay, next let's see how to remove unwanted programs from Mac. First, open Finder and go to the Applications folder, then scroll through the apps. And if you see any that you don't recognize, delete them by choosing the Move to Bin option. After that's complete, it's also important to empty the trash so it doesn't restore and continue to spread malware. Now, keep in mind that just like on Windows, having a reliable antivirus on Mac is highly recommended. So after removing the unwanted apps, I strongly suggest you run an antivirus scan just to be sure your Mac is malware-free and safe to use. Alright, now for mobile devices. I recommend using Norton Antivirus. It is a great solution for both Android and iOS because it brings the best desktop features to your mobile as well. In addition, it has a beautiful and easy to use user interface on both. To download it, head to the Google or Apple Store. The installation process is straightforward, just a few clicks, and it will be ready to use. Next, you should scan your device. After launching the app, choose a full scan that you can find right here. Wait until it's done, and yeah, that's about it. Now on Android, you should also check for any unwanted apps that might have been installed on your phone. To do that on Android, open the Settings app and enable Safe Mode in case the malware is intervening with managing apps. After that, press on Apps and select Manage Apps. Then find and uninstall all the apps you don't recognize. And lastly, reboot your phone. By the way, to save some money and get the best antivirus deals, check out the video description down below. So yeah, overall, it's not hard to remove malware from Chrome. And if you get Google Chrome malware again, you can come back to this video and follow each step once again. But To avoid all that, I recommend getting a trustworthy antivirus. By the way, if you have experienced malware on your Chrome browser, what was the experience? Don't be shy to share in the comments. That's all for me for now, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.